Hey everyone, if you're seeing a server error on Perplexity AI, don't worry, this guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger server errors and prevent Perplexity AI from working correctly. Next, refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary issues and allows the service to function normally again. Try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can sometimes cause server errors, and clearing them often resolves the problem. Also check if Perplexity AI servers are down. You can visit their status page to see if there's an ongoing outage, because sometimes the issue isn't on your side. If the issue persists, try using a different browser or device. This helps identify if the problem is local to your current setup. Finally, make sure your browser or app is updated. Updates often include bug fixes that can prevent server errors and improve overall performance. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Perplexity AI server errors and get it working smoothly again. Hey, everyone.